Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Apploye. In this video, we will be discussing on 7 best time tracking software of 2021. You can watch the previous video of our channel where we have already discussed on the benefits of having a time tracking software. The link is given on the description below. So let's jump onto the video to learn about the 7 best time tracking software of 2021. Number 1. Apploye. While employee productivity is an elusive term for some of the business owners as they take immense pain in counting on those, our best time tracking solution, Apploye, offers you some of the coolest features that can eliminate that pain. Being one of the most effective in its core expertise, Apploye is helping businesses across the world to be more productive and efficient. We are calling our solution the best one as it gives away more than 100 important features in a very competitive price if you compare it to the other time tracking software available in the market. Some of the coolest features we should mention are time tracking that includes automatic and manual time entry, timesheets, clock in and clock out, Pomodoro timer, reporting and dashboard that includes graphical and tabular view, project and member-wise view, and then comes remote track, which includes screenshot, multiple screen monitoring, apps and URL trackings, etc. Project and task that covers project budgeting, task management, project and task-wise time log. Payroll and member encompassing project, assignee and date-wise view, one-time payment and history. Client and invoice that is featuring invoice for fixed fee project or hours work for the clients. Then comes schedule, attendance and leave and many other smart features. Apploye is perfect for the employee monitoring. You can get a whole overview of each of your employees. It provides the list of the top employees based on the activities and the total time worked. The interface is user-friendly and the dashboard is well organized. You can track your team activities and observe the team status at any time. While choosing our yearly plan for Apploye, you can save up to a staggering 50%. The time, remote and field tracking of Apploye is incredibly conducive to use and you may quickly blend these tools with your hybrid company. The simple desktop and mobile app will support your working system anywhere at any time. That takes us to number 2 and that is Hubstaff. Being one of the market giants, Hubstaff promotes itself as a workforce management platform that offers proof of work, time tracking, remote talent finder and project management software. This is a very robust software that enables you to go for project-based apps and URL tracking. It also offers a GPS location tracking system to track down the outdoor employees. Its geofencing feature indicates a specific area where your team may be allowed for tracking. The main benefit of geofencing is that when you enter that particular area, Hubstaff automatically starts tracking the time and stops when you leave. So it is an advanced time tracker, list to say. Number 3. TimeDoctor. TimeDoctor brands itself as an effective time tracking software that makes every second count. The installation is hassle-free, neither email confirmation requires nor the credit card information. You may try it for yourself or in a team. The automatic time tracker has 2 methods. One is visible app and the second one is silent app, which is by the way a unique way to track time. TimeDoctor has a huge list of integration in various fields such as project management, CRM, communication, help desk, payment, and invoicing. Other than these features, TimeDoctor has most of the features that can enable you to monitor employees without any friction. Again, the list of 60+ integration makes TimeDoctor so much popular in the market. Number 4. Desktime. Desktime is a modern automatic time tracking software that helps the business organization to enlarge the growth and productivity. The timesheet is very useful here as it shows 2 reports side by side and the screenshot can be blurred to secure the user's privacy. Desktime offers some of the exceptional features like document title track when you can be acknowledged which task your team is working on when they use the specific programs, Teams contract to access the team's contract information through Desktime, and private time option to let your employees feel safe whenever they need to quickly do something that is unrelated to work during office time. Number 5. TimeCamp. TimeCamp has come up with intelligent time tracking, project and team productivity management solution, helping small, medium and extensive business endeavors in continuity. It provides a smart system of monitor the team's workflow. It has automatic time tracking, project tracking and task tracking, advanced reporting, team performance, productivity tracking, billable time analysis and invoicing. It can be integrated with Trello, Asana, GitHub, Notion, Slack, Salesforce, and many other well-celebrated companies. Number 6. Toggle. Being the provider of one of the most refined interfaces you can have around, Toggle offers a handful number of features. It has a one-click timer with timer mode, manual mode, calendar mode, auto tracker, Pomodoro timer, billable and non-billable hours tracking, summary and detailed report, report saving with specified filter, and data range, and many more features. You can use Toggle as a free time-taking software as a freelancer. The version is free for up to 5 users, covering all the basics of time tracking and reporting with 100 plus integrations. And lastly, number 7. Everhour. Everhour has been marketing itself as an accurate time tracker for budgeting, client invoicing, and painless payroll. The reports generated in Everhour are easily customizable, which allows the business owners to extract the data whenever he needs. Most importantly, you can integrate Everhour with Slack, ClickUp, QuickBooks, GitHub, Trello, and many other well-renowned brands. The pricing is reasonable and you are welcome to give it a try. So that's a wrap for today. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We hope to see you in the following video. Take care.